Part of the model behind Forge's founding was really to help meet this demand in AAV, particularly manufacturing space. And so, the analogies that we often talk about are, if a disease like Duchenne or hemophilia, if those were approved, right now those would soak up probably about half of the bioreactors on the East Coast just to try to meet a year-over-year commercial, demand. So when we think about the over 350 AAV specific companies that are out there, and each one with their own pipelines, there's this huge need. The FDA has signaled that they're going to be, they expect to be approving upwards of 25 programs by 2025, 2026. So as we think about not just really promising programs moving into phase 1-2 trials. Now we're seeing things move into phase 3 and really into commercial planning. To do that, you need to scale your bioreactors and your facilities up significantly. And so Forge, by the end of next year, will be the single largest dedicated AAV producer in the world. And we're here to help meet the demand that a lot of our friends, our colleagues and their companies really need to help meet that. So that's part of our model. And it's really one of the biggest constraints. Once you demonstrate some efficacy and safety in a clinical trial, just how are you going to meet that huge manufacturing demand? So, and really a lot of it comes around the quality systems too. Our leadership team has over 150 years plus and hands-on gene therapy experience, and many of us have built out facilities. So, we've had a great run so far, and that's how Forge, I think, is helping to meet and overcome some of these demands in the gene therapy space.